Hello everyone, today we will discuss about a new tool called WHOIS. This is an information gathering tool. Before we start the tool we will learn what is WHOIS. WHOIS is a protocol. It's used for querying databases that store the registered users' resources such as domain names and IP address blocks. I will make it simple. WHOIS acts like a directory service for the internet. When you query a WHOIS database, you can find out who owns a particular domain name or who is responsible for a specific IP address. It's like looking up the contact information for a business or a person in a phone book. WHOIS helps in identifying the registrant's details, including name, address, email, and phone number, among other information. Usage of WHOIS is: it's commonly used to check domain availability, verify ownership, and resolve disputes. WHOIS data is publicly accessible, but some details might be hidden for privacy reasons. Kali Linux includes the WHOIS tool. It's a command line client for the WHOIS protocol, which queries online servers for information such as contact details for domains and IP address assignments. Now let's do a practical. Just type WHOIS followed by a domain name. Here I am providing Amazon.com. Here we can see WHOIS found some information about Amazon.com. That includes registered name, email ID, domain expiring date, IP address, street address. The name server details are also been found here. Let's try once again with Facebook.com. Here we can see similar result are been found. There are various websites are there that will give same result. Let's see one of them. You can see here, the WHOIS website is showing same result that WHOIS tool have found. So attackers can use WHOIS tool to collect information about the victim.